We have to make sure that there is no conflict and manage it professionally. Ining metong karemeging bungad ng United States President Joe Biden kang Chinese leader Xi Jinping kay mera pa ta bilateral meeting Huwebes, November 16. At chuyo king Amerika ay Xi para king Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation o APEC Summit 2023 ang may gumpisa niya November 15 at mayari ngening November 17. Bistama nila kano pa na yung mikasundu, inawad na pamuring Biden kang Xi, pamisopan lakwas pache parehas da kanong interes ingpis sabyan.
Because I think it's paramount that you and I understand each other clearly, leader to leader, with no misconceptions or miscommunication. We have to ensure that competition does not veer into conflict. And we also have to manage it responsibly, that competition. That's what the United States wants and what we intend to do. I also believe it's a world wants for both of us, candid exchange. We also have a responsibility to our people and the work in the world to work together when we see it in our interest to do so. And a critical global challenges we face, from climate change to counter-narcotics to artificial intelligence, demand our joint efforts.
Samantala, sinabi na namang Xi Jinping na dakalamig bayo manibatan niyang taulilang mikit Biden king G20 Summit king Indonesia anyang milabas sa banwa. Dapat man walaya kano yung Chinese leader na eya solusyon ing major competition lakwas na't maragul neman ning yato bang parehas lang managumpering karelang bansa. Positibo yarin kano yung Xi king promising future na ning bilateral relationship na ning China ampong Amerika.
For two large countries like China and the United States, turning their back on each other is not an option. It is unrealistic for one side to remodel the other, and conflict and confrontation has unbearable consequences for both sides. I'm still of the view that major country competition is not the prevailing trend of current times and cannot solve the problems facing China and the United States or the world at large. Planet Earth is big enough for the two countries to succeed, and one country's success is an opportunity for the other. It is an objective fact that China and the United States are different in history, culture, social system, and development path. However, as long as they respect each other, coexist in peace, and pursue win-win cooperation, they will be fully capable of rising above differences and find the right way for the two major countries to get along with each other. I firmly believe in a promising future of the bilateral relationship.
Base naman king report na ning Reuters sa may publish nga ning November 17, inawis na kanong Joe Biden na diktador Xi Jinping king meto nga press conference 4 oras kayari na ning karelang bilateral meeting. Agpang keng US President, diktador yay Xi uling yung pamuntok na ning meto nga komunistang bangsa at gobyerno, aaliwang-aliwa ka nung nanong atin yung Amerika. Binwelta naman ni Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning at sinabing irresponsable yung meging pasyag ng Biden. Samantala, at tatanda ng sinabi ng Biden kay meto nga presko na niya mumilabas sa bulan at depensa na ng US in Pilipinas oras nating manatake karang kaya katamong military personnel ang pong assets. Pendikdik ng Biden ng karelang pamamaya depensa king Pilipinas kay bat ng sinabal ng Chinese Coast Guard vessel ing barko na ng Philippine Coast Guard at ing karelang resupply boat kabang midadaw ning rotation and resupply ken BRP Sierra Madre. Kaya bay JM De Jesus, ako po yung kaya kayong Talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, at Timpusong Makabalen.